Yeah, in the past up to this World Cup term, it's a defensive scheme namin because we cannot let Terra do their teams defensively and turn out off a turnover, we're able to run and then score sometimes, but turnover points is too low, but we're able to execute our half-court check, and there's a lot of opening because they're playing zone, and then we found out somebody's open, so it's their decision if they will take it or not. Fortunately, most of those shots went in, and that's the reason why we have a 50% shooting percentage.
Thanks, Coach. Moving over to you, Rodney. Tuloy kayo ng 20 points, 28 rebounds sa SME. Was Junior Fajardo. That was also against the Fermat. Ikaw, you're close to that. And also, career high mo sa rebound at 22. What can you say about your performance today?
Actually, I give credit sa mga teammates ko. Especially kay Chris Ross, lagi namin nakausap talaga. And kay Junmar, kay CJ, sa mga teammates ko sobrang selfish nila. So, ewan ko, nagkataon lang ba. Siyempre, sa akin ako din, binigyan na rin ako ng pagkakataon na makapaglaro. And sinusunod ko lang naman yung sistema ni Coach Leo. So, kung ano yung nangyayari sa loob is kung ano din yung preparation namin and mga pinapagawa lang sa amin ng coaching staff, especially si Coach.
You're now opening for yes and questions.
Congratulations. Isa sa mga sinabi na. Robbie, yung 16-20 ko tonight. Pero yung gano'n malaki bagay yung dapat i-bringing na ako din ito na yung doktor. Minsan naman yung dadalhin doon ako po yung rest of the team.
Importante siyempre, ako naman, kung ano lang yung ibibigay ko, especially mga intangibles. Basta makatulong lang sa team. So, hindi naman ako conscious dun sa points. And ever since naman yung rebounds talaga, yung focus na tayo depensa. So, ito nagkataon lang yung 16 points talaga. Hindi ko alam mas pinipilang ko pa yung rebounds.
Yung lalo na ngayon, Pilipino, import.
So, yun, lalo ngayon, siyempre, alam Pilipino, ito siyempre yung pagkakataon natin na maglaro eh. Kasi pag may import, nasa mundo na naman tayo mga kalino eh. So, kaya sinusulit ko lang muna. Pag may import, pa-joke-pan naman tayo.
Pag sa mga masahe mo sa ating Robbie, ang value mo sa ating
Ever since naman alam natin ang kanyang hard-nosed defense and then yung kanyang rebounding. He's so intense to play. During practice, makikita mo yung intensity natin. And that's the habit na ginagawa niya. And the all Filipino talaga na makikita natin yung ginawa niya kanina. And then last time, we won the all Filipino, nag-2020 na siya against ang Blackwater at the playoffs, I think. And that's yan yung mga ginagawa niya. And mga intangibles, makikita mo yun. And I'm so fortunate to have a player like him dahil hindi mo na kailangan motivate, self-motivated siya.
Medyo matagal namin kayong hindi makikita eh. Kasi next week, day game yun. Tapos parang after yun, ako eh. So, paano nyo mo minamanage yung schedule nyo na 2 games in 2 weeks ata, tapos sunod after?
Yeah, I don't know if it's an advantage or disadvantage for us. But in the last few weeks, I think 4 weeks na once a week kami naglalaro and we won 3 out of 4. And hopefully, yung long break ay magamit namin na. And then, for our advantage, to think what will happen in the playoffs, we're gearing up to the playoffs, every game, we're training as a playoff for us to get to the next level. Because I know everything is stepping up there. And then, in the playoffs, it will be a hard game, although we're not yet there. Okay, but our goal is to get it to the top four.
You was mentioned about self-motivated yung mga players mo. Kasi alam na rin yung malaki lagi yung margin ng talo nila. Was it difficult to motivate these guys noon na parang favor to your voice of the game?
In a few days during practice, I keep on mentioning about Terraform and we cannot relax because the last time we lost about 30 against Magnolia and some other team. So we cannot do lesser than that kind of margin. But I'm so happy with the players to respond well and they just played it. Never mind, we should be leading. But I told them, just keep on playing and just keep on executing our